hash browns. Hash browns are those vivid recipes that taste remarkable, and I'm sure you and your children will equally love it. It is just boiled potatoes with a little touch of spice. Friends, it was also sold by famous restaurants such as McDonald's and Wendy's. It is a simple, easy, tasty tea time snack. So let's start making it. Now I have grated 3 medium-sized potatoes with this slicer. Next I am going to boil them in a big container of water for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to add some cold water in it. Now I am going to add all the boiled potatoes in a muslin cloth to remove excess water, and then squeeze it. Friends, I have taken the boiled potatoes. Next I am going to add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, grated garlic 1 teaspoon, salt as required, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. I have taken 4 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, 1 small onion finely chopped, next I am going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, in which I have mixed 2 tablespoons of corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can also take 4 tablespoons of maida. Next we have to mix it with our hand. Friends, if you want a shorter version of this, I will tell you. The first version is eggless. In that, you can just take grated potatoes, just add salt into it as required and 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it and then fry it. Or there is another recipe. In that, you just have to add 1 egg, boiled potatoes and salt as required. I am going to serve it with tomato ketchup and tea.